My Synthesis. A World in Robotics by Manuel Bañol. What is My Synthesis about? My Synthesis is an educational robotics game for 4th and 5th grade students. The content of the game are a few questions and a puzzle. The questions are solved by assembling the puzzle. The answers are written on each of the puzzle pieces. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, AI, in the context of computing, is a discipline and set of cognitive and intellectual abilities expressed by computer systems or combinations of algorithms whose aim is to create machines that mimic human intelligence for performing tasks and which can be improved as they collect information. How does artificial intelligence interfere with my project? The artificial intelligence in my project will infer as a virtual assistant which will accompany the player. This will explain to the player what he must do, and during the game if it goes well or goes wrong in the process of assembling the puzzle. What is the problematic of my synthesis? The problem encountered in my synthesis is how can the development of a puzzle game on robotics, focused in the areas of logic, technology, mathematics, and programming, helping to overcome the difficulties and improve the knowledge and skills of 4th and 5th grade of the Colegio José Ortega y Gasset in this subject? What is the objective of my synthesis? The objective of my synthesis is for students to learn robotics in a fun way and to develop the skills which are logic, technology, mathematics, and programming. Why is the subject of my synthesis? According to surveys conducted by 4th and 5th grade students have a low knowledge of robotics in all its branches, these results make a game for them to have fun learning, but at the same time prepare them for a future. What tools do I implement in my synthesis? In my project, implement tools like Replit, which I use to create my page. Claude, this is an artificial intelligence that helped me to create the page in JavaScript. This is a programming language which I implement on my page. What is Replit? Replit allows users to write code and create applications and websites using a browser. The site also has several collaboration features, including multi-user real-time editing capability with a live chat source, supports programming and markup languages such as Java, Python, and HTML, allowing users to create applications and websites. What is Claude? Your algorithm is trained to be functional as an assistant, which can be asked questions in a similar way as they are done with ChatGPT. Their training allows the generation of text as a result to the questions that are posed, in a very similar way as humans would. However, it is necessary to bear in mind that being an algorithm, software, their answers correspond to a textual predictive construction based on a logical semantics. Thank you for your attention. My Synthesis. A World in Robotics.
Created using Powtoon.